Yeah, YouTube, what up? GSN Cards coming back at you once again. We're on to the final box of our first football break of the night, 2008 Upper Deck Premiere. So this is the final box of the night. Check out our first 3 boxes of Premiere. And here we go. Good luck. Off the bat, we have for the Rams, numbered out of 35, base, Mark Bulger. And then another, wow. For the Eagles, quad jersey auto, numbered out of 275, Deshaun Jackson. So we just pulled an auto of him last box. Next up, we have for the Packers, numbered out of 30, LSU Stitchings, manufactured patch, Matt Flynn. And then we have for the Falcons, numbered 11 out of 25, dual jersey, Jarius Norwood. And for the Bills, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is the 3rd auto of this group break. For the Bills, numbered out of 25, Trent Edwards. I think we pulled 3 Edwards autographs. I could be wrong, though. 2. We pulled 2 of him, so there we go. And next we have a duel. We have a duel between the Bengals and the Packers, numbered out of 50, dual auto, Keith Rivers and A.J. Hawk, dual auto. And our final card of the group break will be for the Lions, numbered 14 out of 40, Billy Sims. So, not the greatest box, but that's the final box of group break number 1 for football. Stay tuned for baseball. GSN Cards is out.